Here we have a Porsche 944 Turbo, and we installed a Clifford Concert 650 Mark III, which is a Category 1 Thatcham Approved alarm and immobiliser. Now, this is an extremely rare car. There's not many of these around anymore. There's quite a few Porsche 944s, but the Turbo, yeah, you hardly ever see them anymore. And when you do see them, they're just garaged and tucked away. So it's quite a rare thing. So with the Clifford alarm system, what I really want to show you is the proximity sensor. So it comes with a microwave sensor, has an internal sensor, so any intrusion inside will trigger, but it also has a warn away. So it's not been set too high, so you have to get really close to it, have a peek, gives you that warn away chirp. So it just warns anyone away to say that there's an alarm system on here. So like I said, any intrusion will trigger the alarm system off. And that's the really nice feature about this Clifford system. So, have a little sneaky peek of this beautiful Porsche 944.